Here's my 4,000 gallon goldfish pond setup. DIY. Still in the process of trying to get it to look nice, but I started it last October, and we had a pretty cold winter. I had put initially like 21 goldfish in there and like 20 mosquito fish. The mosquito fish, I know several of them died initially, but it looked like the goldfish kind of survived. I don't know how many died. I added some blue pine dye because I was getting green water algae bloom, but I added some blue pine dye. It's between 3,000 and 6,000 gallons. I know that's a big difference, but I wasn't able to count how many gallons, so I'm just imagining it's about like 25 feet long. It's like 4 feet deep, 4 to 5 feet deep at its deepest depth, and it kind of goes all the way up to a 2 feet depth. But what I want to kind of focus on is this setup right here that I'm using as a waterfall. The outtake is connected to a 7,000 gallon per hour pump, and right there on the hose, the outtake hose, I have a bag of bio balls zip tied to the hose, and it's right in front of the outtake. And so the idea is, I'm just trying this. I don't know how effective it'll be. The idea is that it will continue to give those bio balls oxygen, and they can, which will feed the beneficial bacteria and make a powerhouse to combat ammonia. And so we'll see how this works. I just came up with this idea. I don't know how effective it is, but I'm gonna continue to monitor it. But I have several bags of bio balls and mesh bags zip tied to the outtake hose. Now I do have a 40-gallon brute acting as a DIY filter filled with sponges, lava rock, and also bio balls, but this is just to add to it. And so again, we'll see how this do. And I've heard it's probably not a good idea because you have it directly in the pond because it can build as far as gunk on the bio ball. So, but I'll keep an eye on that and continue to watch it. If anybody have any ideas or suggestions, or if they tried this and it didn't work for them, let me know. But I think it's a pretty clever way and a cheap way to be able to, basically add another filter inside the pond. And I noticed that the fish kind of tend to like to swim around it, but we'll see how it do.